rock and learn! Sometimes the letters T and H together make a soft sound. T-H thunder, thunder, T-H thump, thump. T-H think, think, T-H thumb, thumb. T-H thing, thing, T-H thorn, thorn. The letters T and H can make a soft sound at the end of a word. T-H earth, earth, T-H teeth, teeth. T-H north, north, T-H south, south. T-H moth, moth, T-H math, math. Great job! Now see if you can read these words before me or along with me. In these words, the letters T-H make a soft sound. Thin, thin. Thud, thud. Third, third. Thaw, thaw. Thirst, thirst. Thank, thank. Very good. In these next words, the letters T-H make a soft sound at the end. Cloth, cloth. Path, path. Both, both. Fourth, fourth. Fifth, fifth. Sometimes the letters T and H together make a hard sound. T-H these, these, T-H those, those. T-H there, there, T-H there, there. T-H this, this, T-H that, that. The letters T and H can make a hard sound in the middle or at the end of a word. T-H father, father, T-H mother, mother. T-H bathe, bathe, T-H feather, feather. Great job! Now, see if you can read these words before me or along with me. In these words, the letters T-H make a hard sound. This, this. That, that. Them, them. The, The can also sound like the, or the. Then, then. Than, than. They, they. Very good. In these next words, the letters TH make a hard sound in the middle or at the end. Gather, gather. Other, other. Brother, brother. Weather, weather. Breathe, breathe. Smooth, smooth.